Hi, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you are new, happy new year. So I am going to the gym and I just wanted to show you guys how I maintain and prep my hair when still having a silk press and working out, because I really used to be that girl who, if I got my hair done or if I did my silk press, I was like, oh, I'm not going to the gym for like 2 weeks. And that's really bad, but I have found a way around it, and I'm still able to maintain my silk press and still work out just as much as I would like. So the first product that I did try, because you are going to need a sweatband for your edges, and this is the sweatband that I tried. It's called Dry Sweat. I got off of Amazon. I used it for like a few days. I think I used it for like 2 days, and I was like, no, this is not working at all. I don't like how it's not adjustable. Like, I don't have whatever size this is. I was not able to tighten it, so I didn't really love this, but I came across this band. It's a Nike sweatband, and it's adjustable. Like, I'm able to tie it. It does not connect at the ends, and I really like that because everybody has a different shape head. You can tighten it, loosen it as much as you like, but I've been using this and it has been helping so much. I've been able to maintain my silk press with minimal heat, because after you work out, obviously you still need to apply some type of heat, because yeah, your hair still sweats. Okay, so I am going to just put my hair up in a ponytail. That's what I do whenever I have a silk press. I usually just put it in a ponytail. I put it either in a high ponytail or like mid-high ponytail. You just want to make sure that your hair is not really touching your neck. Okay. I do apply some edge control just to keep it in place. I don't apply much. Oh, and then also, where I got this, you can find this hair beacon away. You can find this band. I'm pretty sure you can find it really like anywhere that sells Nike products. You can find it at Dick's. That's where I got mine at. I got it at Dick's. Okay, and then I push it back just enough, but not a whole lot. And yes, and it's secure. The part that I sweat the most in my hair is like the middle section. Like, I don't know why, but I got a hack for that too, and you'll see that later on in the video. Okay, so this is how I look. This is how I usually wear my hair. All right, so off to the gym I go. Coming back from the gym, so usually I wrap my hair and wash it, and then I unwrap it and then do everything that I'm about to show you guys. But because I wanted to eat so bad and how I am as a person, I am not like, I can't comfortably sit and eat if I have not showered, if I have come from like outside or from like the gym. So I was like, okay, I just showered, but I didn't wrap my hair because I was like trying to get to the food. So what I do, so after I like that clip where I show you the blow dryer. If your gym has a blow dryer, obviously, you know, you can, and you have time to spare. I think it's really good if you go ahead and try to start blow drying the parts that you know, like where your hair usually starts to sweat the most, just to try to like get that moisture up out of your head. So that's what I went ahead and did. I did stop recording because obviously I'm in the locker room and I want to maintain people's privacy. So yeah, but I even took my hair down and started blow drying in like the different areas. I didn't stay too long because I knew I was going to come home and do what I usually do, but that is also something to do. You can skip that if you want, but I think it is a lot more effective if you do that. Try your hair out before leaving the gym. So take it down. I think this has been giving me a headache. I don't know if it's been giving me a headache, but I think it has. Take it down. You can see my little edges and stuff. You know, they're a little wavy. It's okay. It's okay. It's a part of the process. Like, I really focus on the middle of my head because that is where my hair really starts to like start curling back up. So yeah, I do a little bit on low heat and a little bit on high heat. I'm not gonna lie. Then I do a little bit on cold. Like I close it out with cold. So yeah. Alright, and I promise you my hair already started reverting back to it being super, like at my roots being straight. Alrighty, and then the last part is making sure you wrap your hair. That is, I don't know why people actually don't talk about this more often. Wrapping your hair plays a huge part in silk presses and maintaining the silk press, especially going out like after the gym. It makes such a huge difference. I don't know, maybe because it's just like sitting and it's kind of like being like forced to stay straight. I don't know, but it really works. I forgot to even like say that in my last video. That kind of like activates the silk press. Something about it, like the next morning when you take your hair down, okay, like it just activates it. So yeah, make sure if you want to go in. So personally, tomorrow morning will go in and touch up my edges just because I don't know, I'm not liking how they looking right at this very moment, but I know after I wrap it and letting it kind of like set and everything, it'll probably look a lot better. But I probably still will just go in just a little bit to like touch it up. So after this wrapping your hair, I'm going to wrap mine off camera because I put on a ball cap. Okay, so I'm gonna walk y'all through how I wrap it because I'm not doing it on camera because I look crazy. But I wrap my hair. Yeah, I go ahead and wrap my hair. I wrap it and I put a ball cap on. So I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, I use a ball cap. I do black, nude, whatever I have really lying around. And I wash these a lot of I wash these. I have multiple, but like I wash them and I reuse them. Now, why not? Like, I haven't used it or cut it up. This is just like a regular one you can get from the beauty supply store. Wrap my hair. I put this on it, and when I put it on it, I twist it around to make it start like not tucking all of it because most of it should already be under, but I tuck like any flyaways, any pieces that are still being left out, and I'll twist it and twist it and twist it probably like a good however many times I need so that I know it is secure and I'm liking, you know, that everything is laying in place. So after using this, I will use a do-rag or just a random scarf. This is the do-rag that I have. So I use a do-rag. And the do-rag keeps it so in place. And after using the do-rag, then I like put a bun on. Call it in. Call it night. Yep. Yeah, I know. I don't know if people put a lot of... I don't know how people would go to sleep, because I did that and somebody made me seem like I was like crazy. It's like, you put how many things in your head before going to sleep? And it's like, 3? Like, it's always 3. It's 3 or less. But yeah, so I mean, let me know down below in the comments what you guys do. Is 3 excessive, or is it like a normal amount? Or like, let me know what y'all do when y'all get ready for bed and how y'all maintain y'all silk presses, or like what y'all do to maintain, because I've been doing this and this crap works. Okay, I'm not changing it, but I still want to know what y'all do, just because I want to know. So yeah, and that's literally what I do. Wake up in the morning, take my bonnet off, get ready, take the do-rag off, then the ball cap, and it just flows. It just flows down. And yeah, so that is how I know I look so crazy in this video, and I'm sorry, but at the same time, no, we're very like raw and transparent over here. That is like my goal. So that's what I do to maintain my silk press while working out. And I think it's a really good little trick, good little hack or whatever. I will say after about a week or 2 though, if you working out like 4 or 5 days, your silk press is not probably, I mean, you can still do these steps, but your silk press will kind of start to like, the silkiness will dwindle. It'll start to dwindle. So that, just look forward to that, maybe about a week or 2. It really just, I guess, depends on how well you're maintaining it. I hope this really did help somebody, because I know before I started doing this, I kind of had to like start this. I was trying to like figure out what worked for me, and like how I could still work out but also being like a natural straight girl. Like, I really wanted to work out, but I also was like, I'm not about to be having braids in my hair all the time, because sometimes they heavy and I don't even like wearing it. Sometimes they be itching, sometimes they, I don't know, it just be a lot. Or even like with sew-ins. Oh my god, also with sew-ins you can do the exact same thing, but I think it's actually a lot less maintenance, like sew-ins, quickies, all that. I think it's a lot less maintenance, obviously, because it's not your whole head, it's just like your leave out. You can do the exact same steps to maintain it. And yeah, but going back to what I was saying, I wanted to work out, but I also wanted to like maintain, like keeping my hair straight. And I was like, I cannot keep putting off going to the gym for like a week or 2 just because I got my hair done. Like, we're gonna breaking this chain right now. So I started like finding and like trying to like see what would work for me, and this is what works for me. And yeah, so I hope this really helps somebody else. I hope this helps you guys stop putting off going to the gym. If you were doing that, stop it. Now you have a way. And you can go to the gym now, and you can still maintain being a natural, or even if you're not a natural, a silk press baddie while being a baddie at the gym. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe this video. Yes, share it. Let anybody else you know who's like, girl, I would go to the gym with you, but I'm not going to the gym because I just got my hair done. Yeah. Okay, I will say also, if you did just get your hair done, if say it's like for pictures or something, take them pictures first. Maybe skip the gym like that one day, but make it up a day or 2 later. You know, do that first, because you do want to just look flawless for whatever you got going on, picture, dinner, birthday, whatever. And then, you know, go to the gym, and you can still maintain it. It's not gonna be like super silk, like straight out the chair, but it still will be very much doable, very much still giving silk press. All right, we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, I love you.